Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video we are going to show you how to make Zeera rice. So this one is upon a request of one of our viewers. This is by Olive Medina, a wonderful name by the way. Olive Medina says, Salam bro Don Imran, beef fry recipe and jeera rice possible, with a question mark, meaning that this person is asking for beef fry recipe and jeera rice, or Zeera rice as I'll call it. So we've gone ahead and we've made the Zeera rice for you, Olive Medina, and let's move on to the recipe. Do hit the like button. Please hit the like button. If you're on your phone, please tap the like button. If you're on your computer or your laptop, please tap the like button. If you're on your tablet, your iPad, please tap the like button. It means, we can't even describe what it means to us. It's for free, it's absolutely for free. We come out with free content, so please hit the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you hit the subscribe button, next to the subscribe button there's like a bell icon, so also hit the bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. And comment below whether you have any requests and share this content to some of your family, some of your friends. And with that said, catch you in the next one.